Hi friends, my name is Raj from RCE. Today we're going to review M2 smart bands, which is heart rate monitoring smart bands. So if you can see these three packets, it looks like virtually the same. There is no difference at all. If you see that, all three are same, but these are completely different. So each are manufactured by different factories and works with the different application altogether. So let us unbox one by one and see what is the difference in it. With look and feel, you will not be able to distinguish anything. A charging cable, a smart band, it's a strap, and then a user guide. So if you see the user guide, you come to know that. Let me go and showcase. This is QL Sport or youBand. Hope it is visible. Let me open the second one. This is DroiHealth. Also looks virtually the same. There is no much difference other than few cosmetic changes. And then the third one is same. If you see that, there is no much change, but yes, there is little bit of difference. If you see the application, it is FunDo. FUNDO, which can be searched through moving hand ring in Google Play Store or iPhone Store. So this is FunDo smart band. So all three are looks exactly the same, but yes, there is a clear difference between applications between them. Let me fix it so that it looks a little bit better. If you see that date and time, which might be wrong, and then you see the strap counts, distance covered in meter, and then your heart rate monitoring. Again, if you see that there is a green color light blinking behind. Smart band number, and then it moves back. Then if I take DroiHealth one, let me fix it first and then we'll move ahead. So it starts from date and time. Again, date and time is not correct because it is not yet paired. Distance you covered, this is your calorie burned. Heart rate monitoring, again, if you see green color light is blinking behind, and then there is a battery charge, and then switch on and switch off. So if you see that there are a couple of differences in menu options as well. And then let me move to the third one. Let us go start from the beginning. So this is date and time. If you see that date and time format is little different. This is distance covered, your kilocalorie burnt. If you see that, there's a little difference, and then heart rate monitoring, and then comes back. So there is no switch on and switch off option in this. So these are three different models. Model is same, but three distinguished smart bands all together based on the application. So if you see that date and time is completely different in all three. Let us download the application and try to search each of the smart band, whether it is searchable or not. I'm using quite old phone to make sure that it works with all latest mobile phones. Okay, so I downloaded all three applications: DroiHealth, youBand, and Bracelet. youBand is for first one, DroiHealth is for second one, and then FunDo Bracelet is for third one. Let me try to start from the third one first. This is the first screen. If you see that, start app, it asks you to manage the phone call via app. You allow it, and then access your contacts, allow, view SMSs, and then device location. So these are the questions which always been asked by application to make sure that your call notification comes. So if you see that now all three applications are visible here, I need to enable FunDo. So I enabled it. Let us search the application. Go to home page. And more, find Bracelet. It is asking please log in first. Let me register. Welcome back. So we already created username and password for our application. Go to me. If you see that Bluetooth connection, just click here. Try to search the device. It will scan. So if you can see that there is one device, it is scanned. Let us try to wait. And let me pick this smart band in this hand and see. 11:51, 3:41. So there is a time difference. Pairing M2, connected device M2. So if you see that now date and time would have changed. 307, 1541, 1542, which is 342. So these smart watches comes with 24-hour format. There is no option to change the date and time format, which is 12-hour AM PM. Let me go back and see if we can. So what all we can do that notification, call reminder, SMS reminder. If you switch on, it displays the alert only, these symbols, nothing more than that. Do not expect that it display your contact names or phone numbers while displaying the message. No disturb mode, sedentary, clock reminder, alarm clock you can set, or screen splash by raising hand. So when you turn back the hand, it displays again. This is the application which is FunDo. You might have seen that there are other two bands are also lying. It is not at all visible in the application of this one. So make sure that the application which is written in your user manual should download the correct application. Let me go out from this, log out. Date and time is 23:19:11. Now in this watch, date and time is coming in one screen only. There's no two screens. This is step cover, distance cover, calorie burnt, heart rate monitoring, which is trying to check it from this sensor. Again, do not trust these heart rates and BP completely. These are 60 to 70% accurate. If you have any chronic disease, you simply use medical devices or consultant. Okay, let us log in into this second application, youBand. Your height and weight, it will ask save, nickname. Let me put RCE, confirm, save, confirm, notification. I need to switch off the previous band, switch on youBand. Go to device, bind it, bind new device. So there is no device selected. Try to search first. It has detected. If you check that, 010F. So this is the device. bind. Okay, so this is already connected device. It is trying to sync the data. As soon as it syncs, it changes date and time. See, it is trying to search the device. When I clicked it, it is trying to vibrate. Find device. Okay. So this is the way we connect. See, 1550 Wednesday. So it has changed. Again, let me walk through the features. This is your step count, distance covered, your kilocalorie burned, heart rate monitoring. That's it. These are the functions it has. And if you check the application, youBand, run target you can set, call reminder, which was also there in other smartwatch. Alarm, yes, it was there. App notifications, you can enable the app notification, and then you can enable SMS reminder, do not disturb, shake the camera, or click the picture, lift the wristband, again settings. So all these features, there are a couple of more features in this smart band. So for third, this is DroiHealth. So DroiHealth, we recorded the video about a year ago, and it is available in YouTube. The link is right below if you see that. So to conclude, these are 3 M2 bands from different makes and models or different manufacturers. It has the different applications altogether, and it works with its own application only. So whenever you buy a new smart band, make sure that you go through the user manuals, check the application name and this QR code design, download the application with respective Google Play Store or iPhone Store, and register with email ID and password and start using it. Otherwise, if you try to download different application for different model, then it will not function. All these bands are available in our online store, rceonline.in, which is written below. If you have any queries, please call us back or write it to us. We will try to answer it as soon as possible. Most of the questions we answered within 24 hours, other than public holidays. Thank you again for joining today. Have a nice day.